Bishop Anselmo Magaya, a prominent church leader, has sharply criticized President Mnangagwa over the arrest of journalist Blessed Mhlanga. Zanapena mashoko anamudanyogwa panapa nevakomana atukana kuti aiwa kunyangwe church leaders panguva inoi aiwa vakauya vachirebuka mutungamiri wenyika pakuharassment iri kuitika aiwa kuna the journalist Blessed Mhlanga ndokuva subscribe or like or turn the bell kuti pina pana mamuda mchinzi. In a statement issued on Tuesday, Magaya condemned the actions of authorities, calling the arrest a gross injustice. In quotes, the arrest of Blessed Mhlanga for doing his work is wicked and a mockery of justice in Zimbabwe, Magaya declared, expressing his outrage at the situation. His comments reflect the broader concerns about the increasing repression of journalists in the country. Magaya also pointed out the apparent hypocrisy in the government's treatment of its officials compared to its treatment of journalists. In quotes, Police Zimbabwe must be reminded of ZANU-PF officials like Josiah Hunkwe and many more who have made wildest utterances inflaming violence. These have never been arrested, he said, highlighting the disparity in how the law is applied to government figures versus independent voices. The church leader did not hold back in his criticism, adding, in quotes, if there is anyone guilty on this matter, it is ZANU-PF zealots singing the 2030 chorus, which violates the constitution. He was referring to the regime's alleged disregard for constitutional rights in favor of its own agenda. Magaya concluded his statement with a call for justice and a prayer for Zimbabwe's future. In quotes, it is such act of injustices and many more deplorable things that constitute reasons why people are demanding President Mnangagwa to step down, could save Zimbabwe. Thomas Kwamudanyogwa navakomana panguva ino vatukuna kuti aiwa they are against these moves. Tuze mafunguro impine comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.